Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto, and a few weeks ago I did a sketch of a woman on a horse with pen and ink. I received several petitions to make another one of that kind, so here it is for you. I'll begin sketching with a fine round brush in very diluted watercolor, a Prussian blue. With this I'm sketching the hair, the shape of the head with the ear, the jaw, the neck, and then let's come down the body with the arm. Very minimalist. I am simplifying it to a few lines. The eye and nose, here the leg, and the dress. Okay, good. Now let's do the horse. I usually begin with the head, which is a bit triangular, then the mass of the body and the legs, in a very simplified way. Then we can come back and refine shapes and add detail. I want to thank Rachel for the inspiration for this drawing. I truly like her Instagram account because you can really see her love and passion for horses. I recommend you to follow her at nantucket_blue. Her Instagram handle, as well as my own, and the list of materials that I am using, all will be in the description under the video. And now with zigzagging broken motions, we make some reflections, as if walking on the wet sand of the beach. And let's give another pass, another layer, to the darker areas. We are doing the shading with the same diluted watercolor. All this very lightly. I'm not very concerned whether I make a mistake or not with this light wash, because now I come back with a fountain pen with a much darker ink, a dark blue, to do the detail and also to reinforce the darkest shading. Still, we draw it pretty simplified. Just a line for the bottom of the nose, for the eyebrow, the eye, etc. This is a fairly rapid sketch. I want it to look loose, to have a fresh feel. Of course, when drawing with ink, with a fountain pen, we usually use hatching and cross-hatching for the shading. So I come back, and by making short parallel lines, I darken, and when we want to darken further, we cross them. I'm going over most of the areas that we shaded with the watercolor. Not all of them, of course, because some were intended to be very light shades. It is a pleasure drawing with a fountain pen, but truly you can get the same effect or a very similar one with a fine marker. So don't worry too much about it. We give it the last touches, the last details, and it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to finer tips, and click on the little bell to get notifications of new videos. I would love to know what do you think about this drawing, and also what else would you like me to make tutorials for you on. And I will see you on Tuesday.